How to speed up Snapchat videos. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how, you can follow up the steps. So go ahead and open up Snapchat on your device, tap on it. And once you tap on it, this opens up on your screen. You can go ahead and record up a video which you would like to speed up first. Go on with the normal process of how you normally record a video. And once you have recorded the video, in order to speed it up, what you need to do is you can swipe right from your screen and filters should open up. So you need to swipe right until you find this option called fast forward, this one right here, this rapid one on your screen. This is something that will make your video faster, or you can also click on the third one, which is more faster. So you need to look out for the snail and this fast forward option on your screen. After that is done, save the changes and you can send it to people that you would like. So that is how you speed up videos in Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.